and there's a fish on it. Maybe I'm going about things the wrong way. Well, guys, I think what I'm gonna do, I'd originally come out here to chase some bait, but the bait I was gonna catch was for a tournament Saturday, and they canceled it because of high winds, I guess. Probably a little bit of water came in. I'd rather they went ahead and had it because I like the high water. But anyways, they canceled it, so I figured that out halfway out here. So I'm just gonna go fishing. I brought my little bitty ultralight pole, brought all my bluegill stuff and crappie jigs and stuff like that. And I'll probably mess around with that some. I'm planning on fishing today and tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna fish tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is try to get enough bait to get me through tomorrow. My other bait that I was saving, I kind of forgot to put ice on it and it didn't smell too good. It was pretty gnarly, so I had to get rid of it, guys. It was nasty. But y'all can see, I'm here at the lake, getting ready to put in, and we're gonna go fishing. I ain't gonna drag this intro out. We're just gonna go fishing, gonna have fun. Got 2 days of fishing before we got 30-mile-an-hour winds, and then I'm shut down for 3 days if I'm in my boat, you know. I'm probably just gonna take the 3 days off, and I don't know, boat maintenance, I don't know, I'll do something. I'll figure something out. Gizzard Chad. I'm not marking any fish. They very well may be all the way stuck in the mud, I don't know. But now I marked a ton of gizzard shad back here. If I don't get anything out here deep, I'll go check the shallows. Water temperature's 48 degrees. A few more degrees, no flatty daddies be waking up. Guys, I hate dragging without planer boards, but of course, I left them at home. For you guys that's new to my channel, welcome. For people that's been here a lot or is revisiting, welcome back. Rip and Lip Super Cat rod, 7/6 medium heavy. I'm running 100-pound braid, got an Okuma Classic. I'm running 80-pound leaders and 8/0 hooks. The size of the dragon weight, I couldn't tell you. It's probably a 2 or a 3, honestly. So I just seen a mark on the bottom. We're just gonna try and drag for some channel cats. I'm not keeping any. Don't want to. I just want to go fishing. That's all. Same other rod set up. It's an 8/0 hook on it, but I think it's a Mad Cat. So I'm not using my good whisker seekers out here just dragging around for channel cats. It is what it is. We'll let some line peel out. Head section on this side, gonna put a mid section on this side. Got the new trolling motor going, guys. I've just got it on heading lock right now. Honestly, I had the motor turned up too high when I was spot locked, and when I was cast netting, when I was spot locked, it like threw me out of the boat. So this is gonna take some getting used to. Guys, I'm just got 2 rods, same setup on the other rods. This one just got a regular peg float. The other one's got a regular old 4-inch Demon Dragon type float. I'm liking these rods that Larry gave me though. So here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna drag. We're gonna keep going till we get a fish. So I just marked some fish in about 17 foot 6 inches of water, dead smack on the bottom. It'll be a minute before we get to them, but I'm slowly starting to see fish the deeper we go. We're gonna keep going, and the farther we go, the deeper it's gonna get. So nothing in the 15 to 17 foot range. Now we're in 18 foot of water. We're slowly getting deeper. The reason I'm heading out this way is because I've drug out here before, you know, in February and March, and caught some decent fish. So that's why I'm doing this. If we don't get them here, if I don't start seeing them here or getting any action, then we'll go from 20 foot and less, if that makes sense. We started out in 20 foot. We're kind of at 18. I know we've dropped some, but it should get deeper out here, and that's why I'm heading this direction. If it don't work here, I'll go back all the way back in the back, go under the bridge and all the way back in the back to the shallow stuff and come this way. Start out really shallow and work deeper. I mean, theoretically, we should find them, right? We got a fish, guys. He was on there and I didn't know it. That ain't a bad fish. He just been trailing along. That's still not good enough to make me want to stay here. One fish, drag almost a mile, 3/4 of a mile. I'm good. Ain't a bad little fish, I don't think. And there are blues in this lake. I didn't even know he was on there, guys. I didn't wear himself out. That's a healthy channel cat. That's our fish. Come on the midsection. I'm still gonna, I haven't decided if I'm gonna go all the way back, which I said I was going to. I might ride around the bend here and see what I'm marking there. We're close to making a video, huh? Boy, he's gorging. His belly's plumb full. There are channel cats in this lake, not many. Or there are blues in this lake, not many, but they are here. That's on that old Mad Cat's hook. There it is, guys. That is a healthy channel cat, and that thing has been gorging. Belly plump stuffed full of gizzard chat, I'd say. So, there it is. Number one. And away he goes. Oh, this rod just got pummeled. And there's a fish on it. Maybe I'm going about things the wrong way. Instead of doing drag, maybe I was just sitting still, spot locked. Busy getting that other rod unhung. I thought I had the camera on. That's 2 fish in 2 days. That's not a bad little fish. We're just gonna stay spot locked here. Try that. He ain't a monster, but it's a fish, guys. That's a nice channel cat. That is a nice channel cat. That's a nice one. Boy, if I was keeping channels, he'd be it. A whisker seeker stung him. Quit. Come on, Jimmy. That is a healthy old channel cat. That's a nice one. One of these days I'm gonna catch a blue out of here. How cool is that? I'm just gonna stay spot locked here. I was sitting still messing with that other pole, and the yellow pole that got hung up, I was sitting there messing with that, and boy, he smoked it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I ain't doing no more dragging today. I'll put some clips and weights on, and we'll go fishing. Away he went. He was Gandhi. Both fish that I've caught yesterday and today, and the bites I've had, have all came off of midsections on crappie. So let's give it a whirl. We're gonna spot lock right here where I caught that fish. This is where we're gonna set for a while. And I told you guys wrong. I did not catch that fish on a whisker seeker hook, on a triple thread hook. Caught on one of them. I bought a pack of Mad Cats hooks at the Catfish conference before this last one, CatCon before last. And too busy driving a semi, and I never used them. I've just kind of used them here and there. So using them today. Ow. Look there, guys. Uh-oh, we're about to have a ball because that's bait. I'm gonna keep it. I caught me a crappie. It's windy, and it's gonna get even windier. There's one. He choked it. Hey, we've got 2 species today. Keep them just in case I'm gonna go catfishing from the bank or something, you know. Or I get home, I might freeze them for emergencies. I need some kind of fish for a video, guys. My back's hurting me. It's not the boat, my back just hurts me. I don't know a thing about crappie fishing, but I'm catching it. Oh no, I'm not catching nothing anymore. I was having fun. There he went, it's gone. All right, so I'm gonna come back out here. I'm gonna make me a crappie video now that I know where they're at and halfway what to do. So we got 3 days, guys. I'll put a video together from yesterday and today. That's all I can do, man. That's all I can do, guys. I'm trying my best, I promise you. Almost 3 years in a truck kind of makes a feller forget a few things, huh? But listen to me, guys. We got 2 catfish and 2 crappie. And you know what? I don't think I'm gonna be catfishing this week, so here's what we're gonna do. See that? Away he went. Let's see if this other one will swim off. If this dude will swim off, we'll let him be. He's trying to. He better swim or he's going in the cooler. There he went. He took off. All right, friends. It's the best I can do for a video. I think I'm gonna, oh, better not do that. I think I'm gonna come out here and try to bust some crappie. Been catfishing like crazy. I need to do something different or I'll burn myself out. So listen, I'm out of here. I love y'all. If you want it, you gotta go get it. Like I say, it's been windy for 2 days. I had to go get it, and it was a struggle. Road to struggle bus. If you want it, you gotta go get it, guys. Just go get it. Do your best. Don't give up. I love y'all. See you on the next one. I'm out of here.